Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Chechi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Please don't make it your last. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for sticking around with me. Happy New Year! I'm so happy with 2022 and this is my official first video for the year. Guys, this is a new year. Please subscribe. This is a new year. I don't want to hear stories. Please subscribe, guys. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about a very important thing, which is toner, and I'm going to show you how to make your own easy toner, save up that money and use it for something that's worth your while at least. But this is going to be so easy. That is it. You can easily make this in your own home. It is a DIY. Let's get right into this video. So the two prominent ingredients in this toner is AVC and glycerin. So what is glycerin? Glycerin is a natural substance derived from vegetable oils and animal fats, and it is used to moisturize the skin, and it is used in loads and loads of skincare products. Believe me, it is very effective. The next one is AVC. So AVC is produced by using apples and sugar. So you just mix up apple and sugar, add a bit of water, then you leave it to ferment, and after the fermentation process it is known as AVC. So the importance of these two in skincare products is enormous. You're going to enjoy every bit of it when you start applying it on your skin. I use it on my skin very often. Especially AVC, I always use it on my skin. So to make this toner, you just need your mixing bowl, your glycerin and your AVC. So the benefits of glycerin on your skin: one, it moisturizes the skin; two, it improves your skin mechanical processes; two, it reduces irritants, all the skin irritants, it reduces it on your skin; three, it aids wound healing; four, it helps your skin to maintain its pH level. That is one of the benefits of glycerin on the skin. Now the benefits of AVC, AVC, you guys know, if you watch my videos, you know that I love using this in my skincare products. So one of the benefits of AVC is that it reduces hyperpigmentation, it helps to clear your acne, it helps to balance out your pH, it helps to give your skin that glow that you seek for. So these things are very good. I'm going to link up other benefits on the screen as you watch the video. So let's get right into making this amazing toner I've been talking about. So right here I have my mixing plate and my spoon. I have my container that I'm going to pour in the mixture when I'm done. I have my diluted AVC right here. I have my diluted AVC. Then I have my undiluted glycerin. So one thing you should know about glycerin is that it is very sweet tasting. I don't mean you should start tasting different things, you might get yourself poisoned. But one thing about glycerin is it tastes sweet and it looks like a syrup. That's when you know you got the glycerin. And one thing you shouldn't do, because I said glycerin is amazing on the skin, it doesn't mean that you should apply it raw on your skin undiluted. It is not good, it might irritate your skin. So it's very good that you dilute it before applying it on your skin. So what do we do? Since we have the bowl already, I'm just going to measure out my glycerin. I'm going to use this spoon to measure it so that it gets an accurate measurement. One spoon, I'll pour it into my mixing bowl, and then another spoon. So we are using 3 of this spoon. There we go. So we have 3 already. See how this looks? It looks like a syrup. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my diluted AVC. Make sure to shake it up because most of the particles, usually the mother always like settle below the bottle you mix it up with. So yeah, now that I've done that, I'm going to open it and measure it out, because I really want you to follow the measurements that I'm using in this video. So yeah, so here is the spoon. I'm going to measure out the AVC. I'm using just 1 tablespoon. Now I've added it to the glycerin mixture. Why it's good to mix it up with AVC is that since glycerin moisturizes and AVC just clears out a lot of, and is an antioxidant, and it usually clears up a lot of bacteria on your skin, it is good to use moisturizers, because it's not good to just strip your skin of all the oils that it produces. So it's good to like replace them with really great ingredients. So yeah, now I've mixed them all up. Next thing I'm going to do is to pour this into my bowl, my container. There you have it. This is the mixture. So after you can use it for your morning routine, for your night routine, and it's still going to look amazing on your skin. So I'm going to apply this now on my skin. My skin is looking really dry, so this is really going to help my skin look glowing and nice. You can use cotton pads if you like. Do what you like. So yeah, this is my skin right now. Yeah, I like pampering my skin, and I definitely like the feel of this on my skin. It doesn't even feel harsh at all. So yeah guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this year brings lots of good tidings to every one of you, my lovely subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime and every time I drop a new video. I hope this video was informative. I hope that you find it helpful. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.